Forget it, Stavros.
Your meeting's been canceled.
He's on his way, boss.
Silence! First you transgress against me. Then you force me to descend to the mortal plane. And now you say I know not what I think? No! To the depths of Tartarus with you!
He's a lucky guy. If those tires hadn't absorbed the shock, he...
Just a minute. The weather was perfectly clear tonight, and you're telling me that man was struck by lightning?
I guess you'll have to ask him what happened whenever he wakes up.